if you use the special link at the bottom of the screen, you'll get an exclusive 10% discount on your hosting plan. You'll also find that same link if you scroll down to the top of the video description. This is a better deal than what you'll find even on Hostinger's homepage. Let's select a plan and domain now. So to get your additional 10% off and to get a free domain, click Claim Deal. Here we can see the Hostinger plans. While the business plan does offer a few benefits, you can always upgrade later, and everything I show you in this tutorial, you can do with the premium plan. Scroll down and click Choose Plan. On this screen, you can select your hosting period here. Choosing 48 months saves you the most money by locking in this rate, but 12 months is still a great deal to get started. You still get a free domain, you can see that here, and I'll click Continue. Next, register with Hostinger by creating a username and a password. Once you've registered, enter your billing address, followed by your payment information. Then click Submit Payment. Once you've paid, you'll land in the Hostinger onboard flow. To save some time and skip the onboarding sequence for now, click on the Hostinger logo here at the top, and that will take us straight to the Hostinger dashboard. Here in the Hostinger dashboard, you may or may not see this promotion. I'll collapse it by clicking the arrow here. In your to-do items, you can see that you need to verify your email. Go ahead and open a new tab and navigate to your email inbox. Find the Hostinger email with the subject line, Verify your email address, open it, and then click Verify Email. That will complete the verification step and bring us back to the dashboard, so feel free to close these two tabs. Now that we've verified our email, we're officially done setting up hosting.